Now, as far as the recording, how do we do these things? How do we record from the webcam? How do we record something that looks like this, or even looks like this? That's done right inside of Dubb. So when you're inside Dubb, red camera icon right at the top, click it here, opens up your webcam. If you want to get the Dubb mobile app on your phone, it's going to be Dubb app, Dubbapp. And then when you have it, how I wrote on the whiteboard, this is where it would be. So in here, a little square right there. See that square at the top? That one. Click that there. That's where I was typing everything, the messages. And when you type this, this is where you would type your hook. And then you just turn it like this. And there it is, just like that. Now, if you want to add the virtual background, go below, click virtual background, go to your photos, and then upload any screenshots that you have into here. And this is all the stuff we talked about, articles, company websites, profiles, anything you need. Then it creates a little library. You select the one that you want, and then it puts it behind you, just like this. Just make sure you have good front light. Don't bring your arms out past your shoulders. Keep right within here. And if you're going to do the double creative where you do the whiteboard and the background, keep all the movement right in here. Now, when you record this as well, if you're going to use a teleprompter, you have that as an option across all the recording tech. So if you have a script saved in Dubb, it will show up here. So you click up here at the top. You can go right to scripting right away if you want to copy and paste the script in or create one. Or you can scroll to find a script that's already been created. Or you can search for a script by name that you have saved into Dubb. This is the teleprompter. This is your speed. You can adjust it. This is the play button. See if you like that speed. Back the text off or zoom it in. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna hit record. I'm gonna get my countdown and be like this. Hey, this is Rob with Dubb. We are the sales operating system. We use video, automation, and contact management to create connections, conversations, and you guessed it, conversions. And then I can hit the pause button right down here at the bottom, stop the recording, click it again, keep going. You don't have to push through. If it's a longer script, you don't have to just buzz through it. You can just break it up into little segments. And then if you want to delete if you don't like it, you want to delete it, you can hit the red X. It'll ask you, are you sure? And then you say yes. Now, if we're going to record this and save it, I'm going to reset my script, hit record. Here we go again. And this one I'm going to save. Then you start reading your teleprompter, you open up, you hold this here, get into what you're talking about. And then when you're ready to save the video, click that check mark. And when you click the check mark, it's going to take you inside the Dubb platform to the video edit page.